This is the elevator at the UNT Administration Building here in Denton, Texas. This is an awesome elevator. Look at that. We're going to go to 4. Can't go to 4. 3. Yep, this elevator used to have a swing door at a time, and it still has scissor gates on this side, which is so cool. Get off at 3. Yep, you can see where the old swing door used to be here. This thing is just so epic. I like this elevator a ton. You'll never find cool elevators like this in Phoenix or in Arizona that are like easily accessible to the public. This is just so cool. We're gonna get off here.